And welcome to IP News. My name is Alondra Camacho.
And I'm Carlos Salas. And today we will address the importance of chemistry and its effects on our daily lives.
As we all know, chemistry is everything around us.
It is a complete study of matter and the changes it undergoes.
It has had many contributions in many different fields, and today we will show you some of them.
So let's start with the first example. Let's go with Monica. Hi, Monica.
Guys, today I'm going to talk about how chemistry has contributed to medicine. And let me say that the contributions have been enormous. Not only do you need an understanding of it to become a doctor, but it is also used as a diagnostic and treatment tool. The importance of chemistry relies on testing and developing new medicines and medical treatments. Without it, doctors would not know how vitamins, supplements, and drugs can help or harm you. Chemical departments in labs and hospitals play a really important role, analyzing substances such as blood and urine, and looking in them for proteins, sugars, and other metabolic or inorganic substances. That way, we can find problems such as diabetes, and therefore we can have an early diagnosis and cure to those kind of diseases. Some of the main branches of science that are related to both chemistry and medicine are biochemistry, molecular biology, toxicology, pharmacology, and veterinary and human medicine. That's all from me today. Thank you.
Partner will talk about chemistry in food.
Most of us are aware of the science behind food. Food chemists develop and improve foods and analyze the methods of heat processing, canning, freezing, and packaging. They also study the effects of processing on the taste, appearance, freshness, vitamin, and mineral content of food. Some food chemists are involved in testing samples to ensure the compliance with the food safety standards, while others experiment with new foods, additives, and preservatives. Another good example of how chemistry has contributed in food are pesticides that are made up of many different chemicals used in plant and animal farming in order to increase production and ensure adequate food supply. In the process of manufacturing pesticides, active chemicals are added to them. These chemicals are the ones that kill and repel the pests. Another contribution are fertilizers that supplement the nutrients in soil needed by every plant to have a vigorous and healthy growth. Fertilizers contain one or more of the three essential nutrients needed by plants. There are phosphorus, nitrogen, and potassium.
That was a very good presentation, thank you. But now let's go with Miguel Ángel that will talk about chemistry in warfare.
Hello everyone in the studio, it's me, your friendly scientist Miguel Segura, and today we will talk about chemistry in warfare.
Along history, chemistry has affected the way humans live, as well as how humans die. Due to the many conflicts humanity has had since appearance on the Earth's surface, humans have had the need to create weapons to defend themselves, and these weapons have been influenced by chemistry. In fact, there is a subdivision in the study of these, called chemical weapons. Since ancient times, before chemistry was formally studied, chemical weapons were developed and used in battles and skirmishes. Perhaps one of the first chemical weapons ever used is the poisoned arrow. Applying toxins on the broadhead of an arrow could turn a volley of these into a lethal barrage of poison projectiles. A simple tool can be converted into a chemical weapon if any chemical substance or reaction is used on it to improve its effectiveness. As for modern chemical weapons, we have the mustard gas. Sulfur mustard is an organic compound that can cause large blisters in the skin if it is exposed to it.
about chemistry and the global warming.
Careful and comprehensive scientists have demonstrated that the Earth climate system is changing in response to the growing atmospheric burden of greenhouse gases, such as carbon dioxide, methane, water vapor, and nitrous oxide. The Earth's climate is a product of complex, highly dynamic, and often non-linear interactions among biological, physical, but more chemical processes occurring at the Earth's atmosphere. And well, the worst thing about it is that this is something real, something that we are actually facing and that our future generations will continue facing. And well, we're not doing anything to solve it. There is the example of the melting of the polar ice cap due to the high level of temperatures. And well, just look at these pictures that we're actually impressed.
Actually really strong.
Yes, and there are some pictures of some examples who are actually really facing. So let's search for a good solution. Let's start doing something right now. So let's go with Isabel that will talk about some possible solutions that we can actually start making. And well, let's go with you, Isabel.
Lately, our world has been suffering due to high levels of carbon emissions, burning of fossil fuels, etc. So I'm going to present 3 solutions that could be a viable response to our climate emergencies. The first one, it is injecting particles into the atmosphere to reduce the amount of sunlight. That is a country-level strategy, which has a price of $8 billion per year. And by reducing the amount of sunlight by 0.5%, we will be able to restore the ice around the North Pole, bringing it back to the pre-industrial era levels. However, its disadvantage is that such drastic geoengineering could have disastrous, unintended effects. However, it is a viable response to our climate emergency. Another solution is the usage of renewable energy sources. Burning of fossil fuels will be completely erased, causing carbon emissions to drop, thus saving the environment. This advantage is it is less greenhouse gases and carbon dioxide put into the air, it is less expensive on the long run, there is infinite renewable energy sources to use, it saves gas and money, and it reduces global warming. Its disadvantages are that it is expensive at the beginning, and it is harder to get these energy sources. Another strategy could be you start using less energy. Using less energy, such as turning the lights off when you're not using them, unplugging the devices when you're not using them, using less gas, start burning less fossil fuels, will help global warming to slow down. The advantages are it puts less carbon dioxide into the atmosphere, saves energy for future uses, reduces global warming, saves gas and prices. However, it poses the following disadvantages. It is hard for people to go green and it is inconvenient to some. And due to our overpopulation, it makes some people difficult to understand the importance of using less energy.
After investigating and analyzing the different contributions chemistry has supported to the different areas,
we got to the conclusion that without it, our lives chemistry has allowed the development of many different advances,
such as in medicine, warfare, food, and ecology.
Save the planet. Create solutions for global warming.
This was everything for today. Thank you for watching.
and remember that if you have something important like a good solution that we can all apply, just send it to our official accounts for Twitter, Instagram, or Facebook. And continue watching IB News. Thank you.